So here is the demonstration of the transmission reception circuit, in which we are transmitting from this pin and receiving on the nearby pin, and there is the loop back of the, we can say, circuit. And we see this is the reset button. When we press this reset, it will be resetting the circuit, and when we press this, we will be transmitting, right? So for example, if I want to set the this number 12, or we can say 32, right, as our transmission value to transmit. So when we press this transmit button, it will be transmitting, and it will be, when it is completed, it will be turned on, right? When it means the data valid is received, so it will be turning on via the other pin, right? And similarly, if I reset again and we change it to some other value, like if we have to change it to 36, and you have to do it for, say, this is f6, for example, right? So I am transmitting f6. So what will be the, we can say, output after, we can say, some time? It will be transmitting, and it will be that this receiver is getting the f6 value at the end. So this is the demonstration of the circuit that we have just built.